Okay, so now I'm going to give you another example of using the distributive property to expand or to write an equivalent expression here. This expression is a little different because I have a negative number that I'm multiplying by. So I have to remember my rules for multiplying by a negative number. A negative times a positive is a negative. A negative times a negative is a positive. And so what I want to make sure I do here is I've got negative 2 times the quantity of 10y plus 6, meaning I want to take everything in the parentheses and multiply it by negative 2. So I'm going to do this little symbol here to just to help me remember to multiply everything in the parentheses by the negative 2. So each term in the parentheses. So I'm going to rewrite this as negative 2 times 10y, negative 2 times 10y, and I'm adding here, I'm going to add on negative 2 times 6. So now if you notice, all I did was I took everything that was inside the parentheses, each of the terms inside the parentheses, and I multiplied each term by negative 2. And then I can actually go ahead and do that multiplication right now. Negative 2 times 10y, well, a negative times a positive is a negative. Negative 2 times 10 is negative 20. So this gives me negative 20y. And I'm adding on negative 2 times 6. Negative 2 times 6 is negative 12 because a negative times a positive is a negative. So plus, I'm going to go ahead and put this in parentheses just to recognize that this 12 is negative, or just to make that very clear that this becomes a negative 12. And so I could write this expression right here, 2 times the quantity of 10y plus 6, as negative 20y plus negative 12. I do also want you to know at this point that if you have plus a negative number here, you could also rewrite this as negative 20y minus 12. These two expressions are equivalent. They say the same thing.